Hi, this is Kevin McCarthy and welcome to A Day in Real Estate. Today I'm in the field and I'm going to be talking to Freddy Duarte of Prodigy Mortgage about the difference between a mortgage broker and a mortgage banker. But before we get started, I'd like to draw your attention to two links on my blog. If you're looking to sell a home, click here. If you're looking to buy a home, click here. I'm here with Freddy Duarte of Prodigy Mortgage, a great friend of mine and a guy I've worked with for a long time in the mortgage industry. So, Freddy, what is the difference between a mortgage broker and a mortgage banker?
Well, good question, Kevin. I'm actually asked that question quite a bit. Most folks know that they provide mortgage financing, but they don't know the details behind each different type of institution. So I like to look at the differences between a retail bank or a credit union versus a mortgage banker and even a mortgage broker. So the three different components, which in my close to 15 years of experience, I've had the ability to, or the opportunity to work in each different facet. So I know the differences firsthand. Retail bank, they finance the loan, they lend the money, they service the loan usually. Mortgage banks, they offer financing as well, but they finance the loan, then they sell it off to another large mortgage bank like Wells Fargo, your Chase Bank, your retail banks. And then you have a mortgage broker who is an individual mortgage broker that has the ability to work with various banks and lenders. So retail bank, mortgage bank, they work with one avenue of financing. Mortgage broker, I have the ability to work with different banks, therefore offering what we call as an acronym I like to use as SPA, which is service, price, and access. So from a service standpoint, we are a small unit by design. So we are strong, we are small, there's three partners that I have in our business, each with close to 15 years experience. We have the experience and we have the knowledge, and then we have a production staff, a support staff, with our processors that have 15 to 20 years of experience. So from an experience standpoint, on the mortgage broker side, you're going to see more of your tenured, more of your entrepreneurial folks that are in the mortgage business open up mortgage brokerages. So then you have price. So from a price standpoint, and I can only speak of where I've come from, but from a fee standpoint that each consumer pays, you're looking at an industry average of about $1,200 to $1,600. And that's on any given loan, whether it's an FHA, conventional, VA, you're going to see that is about the industry average. The benefit of being a mortgage broker and being a small unit, we are able to have no lender fees, so no underwriting, no processing, no broker fee, no corporate file fee, no junk fees is what we call it in the business, therefore giving you more bang for your buck, giving you a lower price, lower cash to closing, so saving you $1,500 on a good average in closing costs. Then since we're a mortgage broker, we offer wholesale interest rates. So when you have a mortgage banker, they're able to increase the interest rates on any given month, lower the interest rates on some months, increase the interest rates on given month, probably increase it more often. On the mortgage broker side, we have a fixed premium. So there's no changing or swapping our interest rates based on the market. We offer a wholesale market rate. We work with 12 different banks, and each bank is going to have a different interest rate and different premium. So if one bank offers one price, we have other options so we can go and truly shop for the best mortgage for you, whether it be from an interest rate standpoint or just a special unique loan option. And that brings me to access. Access being, we have 12 different banks. Each one of them offers different loan products. And I like to say that each bank is different. So if you get turned down by one, that doesn't mean that there's not a loan out there for you. We have the ability, if it doesn't work with one lender, we can move it to another, a third or fourth or a fifth. We have 12 options. Hopefully it doesn't come to that, but knowing that you can come to one office and complete any loan transaction usually gives not only the consumer but the realtor that confidence, knowing that we can get the job done here. So again, we have a small unit. Again, by design, we are strong. We have an in-house production staff. And that is one thing that's the difference between a mortgage broker and a mortgage banker is we have support staff being processing, but we don't have underwriting in-house, which means we don't incur that overhead. Now, when you see a big office with a huge support staff and many underwriters, that normally means that there's a big overhead. And the only way that that can be offset is by higher interest rates and higher fees. So that makes us more competitive, more aggressive. From a service standpoint, we have what we call process coordinating, which keeps the consumer informed throughout the entire process, so that way they know exactly where their loan is at any given point.
Freddie, thanks a lot for your time today.
Absolutely, man.
And it's always a pleasure to see you.
Likewise.
And thank you again for watching my video blog. It's another day in real estate. If you have any questions about mortgage, feel free to reach out to Freddie or myself, and we're happy to answer any questions for you. Have a wonderful day.
Take care.